I've always been a cat person thanks to my aunt's fur babies. Those playful days shaped my love for our feline friends. And when our camp chief, Ming, entered our lives 13 years ago, he sparked the idea for Camp Kitty. However, running a cat hotel isn't just about cuddles and treats. There's a whole lot of hard work behind the scenes. We're all about keeping things clean and comfortable here at Camp Kitty. Nothing makes us happier than our customers saying, "Wow, there's no funky smell here." And the fact is that we don't use fragrance to mask any odor, and it's all thanks to Panasonic Ziaino. It is small but mighty. Panasonic Ziaino really is a lifesaver at our busy cat hotel. With its advanced purification technology, our cat hotel stays fresh as a daisy and odor-free, even during our busiest times. We no longer need to worry about airborne germs anymore, as this reliable device lets us relax, knowing that the air is clean and germ-free. When it comes to our furry friends, having Panasonic Ziaino gives us peace of mind too. It uses natural ingredients like salt and water to create hypochlorous acid, which is totally safe for our pets. The concentration is just right for use in areas where people and pets spend time together, striking a perfect balance between effective and safe. And the best part? It's super easy to maintain and move around with those handy casters. With the cleaning taken care of, we can focus on what we do best, caring for our adorable cat campers and ensuring our customers have a delightful experience. To me, happy cats mean happy customers. And with Panasonic Ziaino, every day is a perfect day at our cat hotel.
Panasonic.